I'm Tony Hagen with Managed Healthcare Executive. Today we're speaking with Tom Newcomer. He's Head of Market Access US for Samsung Bioepis. We're speaking about Hadlima, an adalimumab biosimilar in low concentration and high concentration formula, which will be coming on the US market in 2023. Time to talk about some of the other biosimilar products at Samsung Bioepis. You have 6 already established on markets across the globe, and you have I think at least 4 in the pipeline. Let us know what's interesting about the coming developments here.
Yeah, thanks, Tony. Thank you for the opportunity. Samsung Bioepis just celebrated this past February, the 10-year anniversary of the company. So in 10 years, the company has made massive strides to become a leader in the biosimilar space. And as you mentioned, 6 approvals and products across the globe. Here in the US, we have 3 products on the market right now. I think what we get excited about is we have 2 great partnerships on the commercial side. We work with Organon, of course, as our discussion today has revealed, not just on Hadlima and what's going to be coming to market, but we also work with them with Renflexis and with Ontruzant in the US. So we'll have 3 products here in the US that we partner with Organon on. And then recently this summer, we launched the first ophthalmology biosimilar with our commercial partners, Biogen. So presently we have 3 products in the US. 4th, of course, will be coming with the adalimumab biosimilar Hadlima. What we get excited about as a company that has accomplished all that in a 10-year time frame is Samsung Bioepis is the first company to actually get approval for 3 anti-TNF biosimilar products by the FDA. We're the first biosimilar company to actually have long-term or 5-year data on our HER2 inhibitor biosimilar. So that's the longest data that's available. And we're now the first company to bring a biosimilar to the market for the ophthalmology space. So there's a lot of excitement in the company at this point in time, and especially in just 10 years. What has been accomplished is tremendous. We look forward, I think, in the coming years. You had mentioned, a couple of the other ones that may be coming out in the next few years. We look forward to continuing to bring high quality biosimilar products to the market to reduce healthcare costs, right? Make treatment an option for everybody, expand who is accessible to get treatment at a reasonable, fair cost. And we're excited to continue doing that in the future.
Excellent. Tom, other thoughts on biosimilars? Perhaps you can give us some insights into which way the markets are going, especially in the United States.
Yeah, no, I love working in the biosimilar space. It really is extremely refreshing on lots of levels. We know the value that we're bringing to the market, and it has evolved, right? Even just the last 5 years. If you go 5 years ago, where it was kind of unknown, very slow market uptake, pricing strategies not well defined. So, all the key stakeholders weren't sure what it was actually going to mean as far as savings to the systems and to the patients. We've seen that rapidly change, I think, over the last 5 years. And you see adoption in some of the classes in oncology start to go very quickly, very rapidly, where biosimilars were gaining a lot of market share, reducing the overall spend in those therapeutic categories and increasing, what it can mean to patients. So we've seen that transition over the last 5 years. I am excited to see that paradigm continue over the next 5 years. Better for the overall healthcare system, for sure.